My name's Ian Green. I'm the head chef of retail and culinary development at Tottenham Hotspur Stadium. The half time is obviously a crunch point for us. We have 15 minutes to try and serve as many people as we can. The queues are just relentless, it never stops. So it's trying to keep the food hot, keep the food there to keep the queues moving so people don't, at the back of the queue, don't get agitated by it. We used to be able to hold food for about 2.5 minutes before we ran out, and then the chefs would be scrabbling as fast as they can. And they've got customers, kind of where's my food? The chefs were going as fast as they can. They felt under pressure, and literally as soon as they put the food up, it was taken away. With the Duke unit now, it's essentially quadrupled the amount of food we can hold. There's always food there to serve, so we just keep that queue moving and keep the guests happy. By having the Duke unit there now, we can hold more food, we can serve more customers. The guests are happy because they're getting fed quicker and faster. And for the chefs, they know that they can get ahead. If the food will stay hot, it will be the quality that we want, and that they're not going to be put underneath that same level of pressure. To any other chef in the industry, I would definitely recommend the Duke as a hot hold unit. It looks professional, it's easy to clean, it's easy to use, the spaces are right, it's not too high, it's not too low. The programming is straightforward. We've played around with it a little bit, increased the heat in some areas and decreased in other areas. The chefs feel more professional using it, and it certainly looks the part and it acts the part, yeah. Thank you for watching. If you ever come to Tottenham Hotspur Stadium, make your way to the chicken house on the marketplace. We'll be happy to serve you some hot, delicious food, freshly made and held in the unit that does the work.